Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany B. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my everyday morning routine using products from UrbanSkinRX. I'm going to start off by showing you what I use for my everyday morning routine. First, you will need a facial cleansing brush. I will be using the product's 3-in-1 Even Cleansing Bar. Also, the Even Tone Glow Serum. My Retinol Rapid Repair for dark spots. Clear Complexion Acne Serum. And of course, my Cortisone 10 Plus ointment. If you're interested in seeing how I do my routine, stay tuned. First, I start by using my 3-in-1 Even Tone Cleansing Bar. This is a complexion perfecting cleansing treatment that improves the appearance of uneven skin tone and dark marks. It works as a daily cleanser, mask, and exfoliator. This unique cleansing system delivers a formula, clear tone advanced technology by way of an enclosed exfoliating sponge and cleanser in a bar. This technology of 6 ingredients works to reveal a healthy and even complexion. After washing my face completely and damping my face with a dry face towel, I am now using my Even Tone Super Glow Serum. This serum is a brightening, anti-aging, and antioxidant powerhouse that improves the appearance of dark spots, sun damage, fine lines, and wrinkles. Next, I will be using the Clear Complexion Acne Serum and Spot Treatment. This spot treatment delivers benzoyl peroxide, glycolic acid, and willow bark extract to reduce and prevent future breakouts, plus fights inflammation. This can be applied as an all-over acne serum or a spot treatment. Now I'm using the most effective part of my skincare routine. This is the Retinol Rapid Repair and Dark Spot Treatment. This spot treatment delivers dramatic benefits for hyperpigmentation and anti-aging, as it evens out the look of uneven skin tone and reduces the appearance of acne scarring, dark spots, and fine lines and wrinkles. Now, the final step in my routine, I use the Maximum Strength Cortisone 10 ointment. This cortisone is usually used for temporary relief of itching associated with minor skin irritation, inflammation, and rashes. I do have sensitive skin, so anytime I'm using strong products, I apply this cortisone to make sure that I do not have any skin irritations or inflammations due to some of the ingredients in the products. I have found that this cortisone works very well with my skin and gives me a nice finished touch. Thank you guys so much for watching my everyday morning skin routine for dark spots and acne. I hope you enjoyed it and found some quality tips that you can take with you and add to your own. You can shop at UrbanSkinRX.com, and I will see you guys in another video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Love you. Later.